Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Insight's unavailable problem on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram and you need to update your Instagram application by clicking here. So once you've done that, you simply need to go onto your smartphone settings and go into the app management and click on app list and search for the Instagram. And here you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you simply need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all the permissions from here. So once you've done that, you simply need to go back and log in into your account on Instagram and click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and here are the reels. So you simply need to select any reel from here and click on view inside. So let me show you now. Here you can see that. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.